by the people, for the people.
Well, you're a little slow there.
I just got off the Sham Sharma show.
Yes, you did. And unfortunately, I was only able to make the briefest of appearances because we couldn't get it figured out on our computer. It wasn't working, so you had to do it on the cell phone.
Yes.
Tiny little camera.
I like Sham.
Yeah, he seems like a very nice guy.
Yeah.
I was able to listen to everything, even though I wasn't able to actually participate.
I invited myself for a second.
You did it in a very nice way. I wouldn't say that you invited yourself. I mean, he was going to ask you anyway.
Yes, but I enjoyed it. So, what we have here is the Samsung Indian Service most watched video in 2007. We'll take care of it.
2017.
Okay. I'm going to do it as breathless, okay? That's how I'm going to start doing my reactions.
Okay.
Sumya gets it.
Yes,
You don't know. You're not in on the joke. Look how great my hair looks.
Because it's a video that you did. Come on now.
My hair looks so
great. A dude
great.
who sang all in one breath.
I'm going to do my reactions like that. You ready? Let's watch this video.
Okay.
हेलो
हेलो मैम मैं सैमसंग से अमित बात कर रहा हूँ।
जी अमित,
आपने टीवी की कंप्लेन करवाई है?
हाँ, क्या आप 7 बजे के पहले आ सकते हैं?
जी बिल्कुल।
बह चला आसमान तेरे संग तू उड़ चला, इन कल कल करती नदियों सा तू बह चला, बह चला, बह चला। मुश्किलें हैं राहों में जो भर के उनको बाहों में तू चल चला, चल चला। जहाँ आँखें तेरी राह ताके खिड़कियों से पल पल झांके कि तू रोशनी संग लाएगा।
थोड़ा फंस गया हूँ, बस आ ही रहा हूँ।
लगता है चंदू की भेड़ों ने फिर ट्रैफिक जाम कर दिया है। जल्दी आइएगा।
बह चला, बह चला, बह चला, बह चला।
अमित,
जी
आइए। टीवी अंदर है। टाइम पे ठीक तो हो जाएगा ना?
जी मैम।
हो गया?
बस मैम।
हाँ, अब ठीक है। चलो जल्दी चलो, शो शुरू होने वाला है। जल्दी आराम से। अमित जी, रिमोट।
जी
वेलकम बैक टू जूनियर इंडियन आइकन। और आज की पहली कंटेस्टेंट है हम सबकी चहेती प्रेरणा।
तेरे बिन नहीं लगता दिल मेरा ढोलना, तेरे बिन नहीं लगता दिल मेरा ढोलना।
हमारे हॉस्टल की है और पता है मेरी बेस्ट फ्रेंड भी।
रिश्ते निभाने के लिए कभी-कभी थोड़ा दूर जाना पड़ता है। इसीलिए सैमसंग सर्विस वैन्स जाती हैं देश के कोने-कोने तक।
Okay, our friends did not warn us that that was going to be a tearjerker. I had not expected that.
This is our last video of the night.
Did you expect that?
No, I didn't expect that at all. I was a little surprised by that. It was a very good video. It was a really good commercial. I think Samsung is Chinese, so that's kind of confusing. Like, why would a Chinese company go that far to try to service India, since they're kind of like mortal enemies? I'm just saying, but the commercial was excellent. It was excellent. I had tears going. I'm doing this breathless style. This is all one breath. I am not stopping till I go. That guy on the video of Breathless, he went for 3 minutes. I can do this.
Both of us have Samsung phones, so I can't believe that you would even try to impugn Samsung's reputation.
Or are they Japanese? They may be Japanese. Korean. What do you think?
I don't know. It doesn't matter to me. They make a wonderful phone. You and I both have the same Samsung phone. It's wonderful. I was going to point out before it got so serious, because I thought this was just a cute little commercial. I was going to point out that where she lived, like in America, we would call that the boondocks.
Yes,
like
yes.
you're going out to the boondocks. It's way out of the way.
It was like being on Navajo Nation.
Yeah,
but
exactly.
You see cattle
it looked
just
a
in the
lot,
middle of the road. Like,
looked a lot like northern Arizona.
What do I do?
Yeah,
honk,
that
honk.
was phenomenal.
What did you think about my breathless response? That was phenomenal. Don't you think so? All in one breath.
Well, I'm giving something away here by telling people that you need gum right now.
Oh, I can't believe you just said that.
So your breathless response, I wish, had been a little more breathless. You know what I'm saying? Like without breath.
That's terrible.
Yeah. Sorry.
I can't believe you did that.
Sorry.
I'm like, give me a kiss.